Question 2, Part 7. Define rate law. Enlist 5 factors which influence the rate of chemical reaction and describe the effect temperature on reaction rate. Rate law, the equation that expresses the rate of a reaction in terms of the concentration of reactants, each raised to some power, order of reaction. Example: for A plus BB yields products, R rate equals K, A, X, B, Y. 5 factors affecting reaction rate, concentration of reactants, temperature, surface area for solids, presence of catalyst, nature of reactants, bond strength, physical state, effect of temperature on reaction rate. Increasing temperature increases reaction rate. According to Arrhenius equation, K equals AE to the power of minus E A over RT. Rough rule for many reactions, rate doubles for every 10 degrees Celsius rise. Collision theory. More molecules have energy greater than activation energy. Part 8. A solution is prepared by mixing 600 cubic centimeters of 7.5 times 10 to the minus 4 molar BaCl2 into 300 cubic centimeters of 2.4 times 10 to the minus 3 molar and Na2SO4 solutions. Will precipitate of BaSO4 form when equilibrium is reached. Ksp of BaSO4 equals 1.1 times 10 to the minus 10 moles squared per cubic decimeter. Precipitation of BaSO4, given volume of BaCl, 2 equals 0.600 cubic decimeters, moles of BaCl, 2 equals 7.5 times 10 to the minus 4. Molar volume of Na2SO4 equals 300 cubic centimeters, equals 0.300 cubic decimeters, moles of Na2SO4 equals 2.4 times 10 to the minus 3. Molar moles Ba2 plus 0.600 times 7.5 times 10 to the minus 4 equals 4.5 times 10 to the minus 4 moles. Moles SO42 minus 0.300 times 2.4 times 10 to the minus 3 equals 7.2 times 10 to the minus 4 moles. Total volume after mixing equals 0.600 plus 0.300 equals 0.900 cubic decimeters. Ba2 plus equals 4.5 times 10 to the minus 4 over 0.900 equals 5.0 times 10 to the minus 4 molar. SO42 minus equals 7.2 times 10 to the minus 4 over 0.900 equals 8.0 times 10 to the minus 4 molar. Ionic product Q equals 5.0 times 10 to the minus 4, 8.0 times 10 to the minus 4 equals 4.0 times 10 to the minus 7. Ksp of BaSO4 equals 1.1 times 10 to the minus 10. Since Q is greater than Ksp, precipitate will form. The rate constant, K, for the decomposition of NO2 is 1.8 times 10 to the power of minus 3 cubic decimeters per mole per second. 2NO2 yields 2NO plus O2. Write the rate expression. Find the initial rate when the initial concentration of NO2 is 0.75 moles per cubic decimeter. Find the value of the rate constant when the initial concentration of NO2 is doubled. Given reaction, 2NO2 yields 2NO plus O2, rate constant K equals 1.8 times 10 to the minus 3 cubic decimeters per mole per second. Initial concentration, NO2, equals 0.75 moles per cubic decimeter. 1. Write the rate expression. From the units of kk, cubic decimeter per mole per second, cubic decimeter per mole per second. This is a second-order reaction, specifically second order in NO2 because coefficient is 2, but experimentally rate depends on concentration. For the reaction to NO, 2 yields products. The rate law is rate equals K, NO2, 2, rate expression, rate equals K, NO2, 2. Find the initial rate when NO2 equals 0.75 moles per cubic decimeter, rate equals 1.8 times 10 to the minus 3, times 0.75, 2 equals 1.8 times 10 to the minus 3 times 0.5625 equals 1.0125 times 10 to the minus 3. moles per cubic decimeter per second. Initial rate, 1.01 times 10 to the minus 3 moles per cubic decimeter per second. 3. Find the value of rate constant when NO2 is doubled. The rate constant K depends only on temperature and not on concentration. Doubling the concentration does not change the value of K. So K equals 1.8 times 10 to the minus 3 cubic decimeters per mole per second. Only the rate changes, not the rate constant. Summary, rate expression, rate equals K, NO2. 2 initial rate, 1.01. Times 10 to the minus 3 moles per cubic decimeter per second rate constant when Wariki Gaitsi Kolear. NO2 doubled, 1.8 times 10 to the minus 3 cubic decimeters per mole per second, no change. Part 940. Decimeters cubed of hydrogen gas was collected over water at 831 torr mercury pressure and 23 degrees Celsius. What would be the volume of dry hydrogen gas at standard conditions? Vapor pressure of water at 23 degrees Celsius equals 21 torr. Dry hydrogen gas at STP, given volume wet, equals 40 cubic decimeters. Pressure total equals 831 torr pressure. Water equals 21 torr at 23 degrees Celsius. Pressure H2 equals 831 minus 21 equals 810 torr. Temperature equals 23 plus 273 equals 296 Kelvin STP. Pressure, standard, equals 760 torr. Temperature, standard, equals 273 Kelvin. Combined gas law. Volume, dry, equals volume, wet, times pressure, H2, over pressure, standard times temperature, standard, over T, volume, dry, equals 40 times 810 over 760 times 273 over 296. Volume, dry, is approximately equal to 40 times 1.0658 times 0.9223 is approximately equal to 39.3 cubic decimeters. State Graham's law of diffusion. The rate of diffusion of an unknown gas is 70.3 cubic centimeters per second, whereas CO2 is 60 cubic centimeters per second under similar conditions. What is the molecular mass and identity of the unknown gas? Graham's law of diffusion. At constant temperature and pressure, the rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its molar mass. Given rate of diffusion of unknown gas equals 70.3 rate of diffusion of CO2 gas equals 60 m. CO2 equals 44 grams per mole. Rate of diffusion of first gas divided by rate of diffusion of second gas equals square root of molar. Mass of gas of first divided by molar mass of gas. Second, we can calculate molar mass of unknown gas by 70.3 divided by 60 equals square root. 44 divided by molar mass of unknown gas equals 32.07 grams per mole identity. O2, oxygen molar mass approximately 32 grams per mole. Part 10. Calculate the heat of formation of ethane at 25 degrees Celsius from the following data. Heat of formation of ethane, given C plus O, 2 yields, CO2, delta H equals minus 394 kilojoules per mole, H2 plus 1/2. O2 yields H2O, delta H equals minus 286 kilojoules per mole, C2H6 plus 7/2. O2 yields 2CO2 plus 3, H2O, delta H equals minus 1,561 kilojoules per mole. We need 2C plus 3. H2 yields C2H6 delta H equals. To find the heat of formation of ethane, we apply Hess's law, which states that the total enthalpy change is the same regardless of the reaction path. First, we take the combustion reactions of carbon and hydrogen and adjust them to match the required number of atoms. Carbon is multiplied by 2 and hydrogen by 3. Then we add these adjusted equations. Next, we reverse the combustion reaction of ethane so that ethane appears on the product side. Reversing changes the sign of enthalpy from negative to positive. Finally, we add all the equations. The intermediate compounds like carbon dioxide and water cancel out, leaving the formation reaction 2C plus 3H2 yields C2H6. Adding the enthalpy values gives us delta H equals minus 85 kilojoules per mole. So the heat of formation of ethane is minus 85 kilojoules per mole.